you type 4 hair cannot do a slick bun? Like, who told you? Who told you that? They lied. Like, they lied. Say hi. Hi. Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Amneta and I film organization and lifestyle videos. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how you achieve this really gorgeous low ponytail on my type 4 hair. So if you like to know and love to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So let's get right into the video, guys. So I'm starting off by fluffing out my old bun that I had the previous week. And just to let you know, guys, let me say this now, my entire family is home because we are on lockdown, so you'll be seeing them passing here and there at the background, and I apologize for that, but it is what it is. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, hobbies right there. And this is why I'm also doing a voiceover for the most part of this video, because everyone was talking and conversations going on in the background, so I figured out to a voiceover would be the perfect thing to do. And yes, so now I am just parting my hair right in the middle or the center. This is where I prefer to do my own. You can go ahead and do yours, a side part, middle part, whatever part that suits your face. So this is what I'm doing right here. So once I have the center part neatly cleaned, I go ahead and separate also the back of my hair. So I'm going to have 3 sections all together, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. The back one does not have to be neat because it's going to be covered anyways.
I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know.
So once my hair was in 3 sections, I went ahead and sprayed with some water. In this house, we don't comb dry hair. Like, spray your hair to get it more manageable and soft so you don't break it when you start any form of combing or brushing. So this is what I'm doing right here. Wet it enough to make it manageable to work with, but not too wet because it's going to take too long to dry and you don't want that. And once my hair was wet enough, I went ahead and finger detangled before I use any form of tool to prevent any breakage or split ends. And then I went ahead with my wide tooth comb, smooth it down a bit more. Next, I applied the full neck styling gel on my hair. You can use whatever styling gel that you have, but this one was so good it didn't leave any flakes or white residues on my hair. Once I applied the gel, I then go ahead and smooth down that little bun with my tangle teaser, and then secure it with a hairband and make sure it is tight because you want it to be sleek and laid, but not too tight because you don't want to have headache. And next, for the front, repeat the same entire process that you did at the back. Spritz your hair with some water, smooth it down with your hands and fingers so all your hair strands will be moisturized and hydrated. Then go ahead with your tools.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
At this point, my hair appeared whitish while I was smoothing it down, and that's because my hair had a leave-in conditioner, so that's what happened in combination with the gel. But no worries about that because it's going to dry clear and shiny once it is completely dried. Once the right part of my hair was smoothly laid down, I went ahead and connected it to the back low bun, and I'm also going to do the same exact thing on the left hand side. Smooth the hair down and connect it to the back bun. That way you get one big smooth sleek bun. So I hope that makes sense. Well, just keep watching and then you'll get what I mean.
Even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Then I applied my Style and Shine hairspray from Douglas. Well, then I went in with my beloved scarf, tied it on, and then leave it on for like 10 minutes for the sake of this video, and then it's gonna get dry throughout the day. So tie it tight and lay it down. See you soon. The moment of truth. So now it's the moment of truth. Let's unravel the mystery. So, ta-da! Girl, look how laid and sleek this low one looks like. Seriously, tell me this is not sleek. It looks bang, like seriously, look how sleek my low bun looks. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't like reggae. I love it. So guys, this is my look, my low bun look on type 4 hair. It looks sleek, shiny, and dope. So you could just rock this style like this with your natural hair like that. It looks pretty, like seriously. You can go to anywhere and everywhere with this look. It looks put together. It looks beautiful, looks elegant, brings out your melanin, your beauty. You could also go ahead and attach and do some ponytails and attachment on it. So I've got this ponytail thing right here. I got it from Amazon and it's synthetic one, so it was only 10 euros. So you could go ahead and attach something, and or you could just leave it this way as it is. So let's go ahead and fix this on and see how it looks. So this is actually going to hide your ends, your hair, in case the weather is rough and harsh. You could just tuck your hair underneath this bun and you're good to go. It also came with an adjustment strap where you can pull and make it tight however tight you want it. Pull it tight, but you don't want it to be too tight. You don't want to have a headache. So I'm just gonna pull up a few strands from the hair and just wrap it around for extra security. So look at this, guys. It looks so beautiful. It's so cute, guys. I love it. Like, for 10 euros, it's not bad at all. Comment down below what else you would like to see on this channel. I love to read your comments, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.